so weird in here.
You have something you want to tell me?
No?
You sure?
Positive.
So who the fuck named Sweet Chocolate Dick with
Yeah,
emoji?
who named Sweet
Why you
Chocolate
calling
Dick?
my phone?
Man, tell us the girl band, brother. The girl mo come like a vacuum, see her? Yo. Pussy the damn tell the boy that you style. When I increase the money, see me. Eh boy. Pussy if you want to see, you look at me down. What is that boy da? The boy see like a joke. That boy. Oh, that boy chat so. Eh boy. Este boy ficha buena pa. Eh boy ahí. Ashura me.
Wait for woman near that, so she takes so long my youth. Some bumbo.
I don't know, say so man take long to get ready, brother.
Sweet Chocolate Dick. Now you see this my youth?
What that?
I can't wait to come on your
Yo, just forgot this hard, brother.
Yo, wait till I get come out of the car.
Just
brother.
to come.
Wait till I
Rapid
get come out of
burst.
the car,
I'm
man.
gonna say, listen, I
You
wanna
have to
chew
see
up.
dog. You have a
Hey, baby.
Babe.
Why is the energy so weird in here?
you have something you want to tell me?
No?
You sure?
Positive.
So who the fuck named Sweet Chocolate Dick with
Yeah,
emoji?
who named Sweet
Why you calling
Chocolate
my
Dick?
phone?
Kill
Why you
somebody.
calling
Who the fuck named Sweet Chocolate?
Who
Who
named
named
Sweet
Sweet Chocolate?
The three emoji.
Shoot her.
It's who's surrounded.
Shoot her.
Alright, you never know.
Shoot her.
Now call him.
No,
Now call him number. Now call him number.
The man made that work, brother. Don't call him, brother.
Yo. You hear that?
Eh? Let me hear that. Jeffrey. Hey, that girl put password for your phone in the ear.
Boy, man, that boy a bloop for me now. Nobody see you go suck your mum and go run. Never gonna name Niagara, you make you fall in a youth. Never gonna go so nobody feel your phone, call in a youth. Never gonna name ching, that means say call in a youth. Never gonna take your 3 pints like basket, ball in a youth. Never gonna name hurricane, you make the rain fall in a youth. Never gonna big like Portmore, mal in a youth, we kill man overall in a youth. I gonna make you tear down this wall in a youth. Chop that brother, long time I chop them man. Where the brother come from, man? Yo, Jeffrey. Hey man, what's up? Where you there, dog? I'm here. Long time we not talking to dog. Nah, I know it's been a while, yeah, man. Me here see you gone in the Paris. Don't know, man. Man in New York, you know. Yeah, man, but me I call if you go suck out your mother, man. Wait, what you say? Yeah, you dash me dog, go suck your mother. Man, I go suck back here, mother. You need to calm down to your youth. Calm down. Don't have to calm down. Okay, brother. Go down. You ever to calm down? Easy yourself, man. Dog, I pre-mention whenever I get the 50 years for the year. Told you I was broke. No time boy you broke, dog. No matter time boy you broke, all thing I broke, I'm a cocky in the pussy. Don't talk about my blood clock, man. So I'm to your youth. Dog, how much years you know you, dog? Around 10 years, man. No, I'm to you, dog. Over 10. You never call me when you reach, that's where I've been. Alright, now me I tell you if you go suck out your mother again. Mike, stop to my mother, dog. Man, this. Stop to. Hello? Tony? Hello, you tell no man, dog. Boy, I'm gone far in. You feel right now? Boy, I'm gone far in. Suck your mama. I want to the brother, man. Dog, I want to hear your mad dog. You don't even know that man get fired to the dog. That's funny. No, dog. The last week you get higher. Me believe you, dog. You're a liar, man. My mom tell you something, dog, and all me I do is smile. People them ask me a dentist, dog. Them disrespect the dog. Me I sit down, me I talk up the things, them, dog. The man them say, get up, boy. That's what is slavery. Dog. So if you was a whip, I'll lick over your back and say, get up, boy. What's your name? I think I'm real fear, but I don't even know when you get
How whiskey you talk about how much the beverage? Because me I go want my money.
Dog, my instrument on work.
Well, you need to go look at work.
Dog, I am jobless.
Youth, you never read the Bible when you need to go read the book of Job. Because you need to go get a J-O-B. Because me I go want my own. You think it I go so? Me need it. Me bing.